Okay, hi JC. Uh, I'm recording this video to show you in the new way how you can just add new posts into the Tim and Olga website. It's like I just developed few new features, so probably that's why it would be good to show you how to those things work. So let's start with FileZilla. Nothing's changed with FileZilla. You have to still go to the hosting where you've got access, log into the website through FTP, and you are probably in the resources. You have to just add this audio file somewhere here. But let's let's say you already uploaded this video, this audio file. So let's go to the let's head over to the website. You have to go tim.olga wp admin, and you have to just log in into the dashboard. Nothing's changed here, and you will be here on the dashboard. Then you have to go to the posts. If you click on the post, you're gonna see all posts from the for this website with all categories filtered here on. So what you have to do, basically you've got two ways to add new content. First way is just if you just mouse over the title here, you're gonna see this little button clone. You can use the clone, and that's, oh, I'm sorry, before you're gonna start doing the post, actually I need to mention the theme change categories. So last time we had only two categories, that was audio and handouts. So right now he just changed the names for the categories. So probably you had a conversation with him already how and where you're gonna just put the audio files in. So we're not gonna use audio anymore, and we're not gonna use handouts anymore. So probably you have to connect it with different categories. So let's go back to the to adding the actually content to your website. So the first thing you have to do is you have to either clone or start new post. I'm gonna start new post because it's probably that's the same basically idea. What you have to do here, you have to just add title for this post, and you have to pick category here. So here on the right side you've got blog, where you can just, through all this list, you have to just check either one category or two categories, because the content might be used for different for 2, 3, 4 different categories if you want. The first thing is what is very important. Please make sure that here on the bottom you've got tab. It's called sidebars. Switch to no sidebars. That's very important. I will show you different a little bit later. So let's say my temporary file. So that's my title. I'm gonna click use Fusion Builder. You're gonna receive something like that. Then you have to click this library button. So library button is gonna give you templates for the page, what you can use for the audio files, and then you can just hit load and replace old page content. So what system actually did right now is just bring the template version for the post, for the content. So what you have to do, actually, you need to have a focus on the two things right now. You have to just come here and change description, change title. There are two ways how you can achieve that. You can just basically delete and type new things, let's say session 1, or you can just use also text version and just, let's say, delete. Here is new title. Yeah. If we're gonna, oh, and the same with here with date, of course, and a speaker. That's the thing what you can just change also based on the audio file. So if I'm just save that, then the second thing what you need to change or replace is the audio files. So you have to, when you open this text block, you have to just go not to the visual but to the text. Then you have to grab the name for that. Let's say that's the file what we want to use for this post, and you have to just only change this part here. Or maybe if you put in a different folder on the website, so you can probably use the different folder, but right now this file stays in the audio catalog here, resources audio. That's why I just leave this path, resources audio, plus I just only change this file here. And now if you've got the all address for this file, you can just copy and paste using Command and C in the Mac, or double click here and copy, because we need to have this link, because we have to add the download file. So and that's new, that's new thing what I did actually. So there is a download tab on the left side. So you have to open downloads, and I'm gonna open in a new window, new tab actually in that web browser. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click Command and hit on the mouse, and that's gonna open for me list files what I've got for downloads. So what do you need to do before you're gonna put to put the button in the content? First, you have to just add to the system information about this download. So you have to add download file. So what you need to do is basically just add new, and we've got already the file. So let's just copy, let's say, my temporary file. That's the title. I'm gonna put title. Here is my short description. This one is just only for your information, to just give you exactly idea what kind of content is that, so we can just put here just basic information about the file. But the next thing what you have to do is add the file, and you have to just copy and paste. I just did mistake because I copy the title. You have to just grab this file here and paste this URL here, and then you have to pick audio, either PDF. You've got two kinds of files, audio or PDF. If you will have a more category, you can add category here, but right now, from my understanding, team uses just only audio and PDF files, and then just publish. That's it. That's everything what you have to do to add the download file to the system. And now important thing is there's a shortcode here. You have to grab not a full shortcode, but you have to just grab only this number, that's ID. And I'm gonna just copy this ID using Command C, and I'm gonna head over to my post, and here on the bottom you've got the shortcode with this ID, and I'm gonna change this ID. And so right now if I publish this post, let's close this tab. So this is it, JC, actually, so that's all. You've got new title here, you've got date, you've got speaker. This
Mark, chapter 12.
This file works, plus you've got the button, download button here, and this button we just created in a system. So that's how is that works. Let me just show you one more thing. Yeah, for example, if you not pick the sidebar, you probably have an extra space on the right, which is not what we really want to have here. Oh, you see, there is a special thing, it's reserved for blog, so that's why it's very important before you just add any content to just close this sidebar, because this way it will be a little weird, I mean creepy, to have two sidebars on the side. But anyway, so that's the thing. I want to just mention only last thing, I'm sorry. Let's just, I know that the very important thing is to add feature image. The feature image we're gonna use in the different places on the website. One of the places where we're gonna use it is definitely on the front page. When you scroll down, you're gonna see, you see, that's my temporary file. But just because I don't have this image, so it looks like it's something that's broken, because I didn't add any feature image. So to add this feature image, you have to go to the actually post, scroll down, on the right side you're gonna see feature image, and you can type here audio or aud, and you're gonna see image. So you have to pick this image, set as default, and update information. When you update this information, system automatically is gonna add this this thumbnail here, and that looks better. Let's just only, for this purpose, I'm gonna set draft instant, the instant the published, because I don't want for anybody to see this this particular post. Okay, so that's it. That's all what you have to do. Let me just show you one more thing. Clone works the same idea, like like what you had with template. Here, if you've got that's my temporary file, you have to just change title. The only difference is my new title. Only different here is that you have to just also refresh permalink. So to refresh that, you have to just come here to that place, hit edit, delete content from here, and hit OK. And of course, you know, like you have to just follow the same steps, like change title here, change file, plus also change ID here, add to the specific category here, like let's say Genesis, and you need to make sure that you don't have a sidebar, no sidebar. So this is it. And then if you are ready to go, you can either see draft version of that post. What I did is actually I just click on the command button and mouse. So you've got content here. Here is a file for download. So that's all, JC. Please feel free to reach to me if you've got any questions or something's not clear. And that would be it for now. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any question, let me know. Thank you very much and bless you.